Hey, welcome to Tutorial Lore. This video explains the Astound voice and speech coach app and whether it's worth using. Quick disclaimer. This is an explained review based on user feedback and online data, not personal use or a visual demo. Astound is a voice and speech training app designed to help users improve clarity, confidence, and vocal expression. The app provides guided exercises created by professional voice coaches, covering breath control, pronunciation, vocal tone, and public speaking techniques. It's available on both iOS and Android and includes structured lessons, daily practice plans, and real-time feedback tools to help users track progress. The app's main feature is its personalized coaching system. You complete short vocal tasks, and Astound analyzes your performance to give tailored suggestions for improvement. It also includes warm-ups, articulation drills, speaking style adjustments, and confidence-building modules for presentations, interviews, and everyday communication. If you found this video helpful so far, drop a like. Let's talk about how it performs in actual use. Many users appreciate its easy-to-follow lessons, professional guidance, and noticeable improvements in speech clarity and vocal strength. The real-time feedback helps users understand their mistakes and correct them gradually. It's especially useful for students, professionals, voice artists, and anyone wanting to improve communication skills. However, there are some drawbacks. Some advanced features require a subscription, and progress tracking may not be fully accurate for all voice types. A few users also mention that certain exercises feel repetitive or require a quiet environment to complete properly. Additionally, consistent practice is needed to see long-term results. In summary, the Astound app may be worth using if you want structured voice training, personalized feedback, and a convenient way to improve your speaking skills. However, if you prefer in-person coaching or don't want subscription-based advanced lessons, it might not be essential for you. This is not a commercial or paid promotion, but an informational video. For inquiries, contact the email address stated in the description.